Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace, guys. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification so you can be up to date with all of our latest videos. Alright guys, I'm taking a little break from the IPTV reviews, guys. And I was surfing the internet as a YouTuber, watching YouTube videos, watching other YouTubers, and I came across this phone. It is the UMIDIGI Z2 Z2 Pro, and I believe that's the correct name of it. Pronunciation of the name is UMIDIGI Z2 or however. But the great thing about this phone is that I have a Note 8 and I paid $1,000 for this phone, and I came across a YouTuber doing a review on this phone, and I decided to look up the specs and everything on it, guys, and it's about $200 to $300, and the specs that they have in here, guys, is mind-blowing. I believe it come out June the 11th, but I just want you guys to see this video. Then I'm gonna take you guys to the web page and we're gonna talk about it and also show you guys you can have a chance when you can actually win this phone. Let's play this. Alright guys, so there you have it. So as you're able to see all of the specs that they have on this phone, let me just jump right into the website. Alright, so you come right here to their website. Now it's $249, guys. It was $299. It's $249. You can get it at GearBest or on GearBest June the 11th. So right now they're taking pre-orders, guys. But look at this phone. Now the thing that I want to do, guys, is just show you guys some of the specs. If I can get up in here, and I love that little rainbow color right there. You see that little rainbow color, man? I bet you it changed colors in the sun, and they call it the twilight. Now look, they have a Hilo P6 AI processor. You can get it from 6 gigs to 120 gigs extendable storage memory. So they have a full HD display, quad cameras, 16 and 8 megapixel, guys. Dual fast charging. They have global band, NFC, and again the little twilight. They have face unlock with Android 8.1. So this phone is shipping with Android 8.1, guys. And look, I mean, look at the display. 6.2 full display, full view. And in the video, if you seen how narrow those bezels was, they have the little cutout notch. They have a 1080p by 246 resolution. They have a 90% screen to body ratio, 19.9 aspect ratio. It's just a beautiful phone, guys. All of this for $200, guys. A phone under $300. I just wanted to bring this to your attention. If you're looking for a phone, like I said, I paid $1,000 for this Note 8, And this phone right here have a lot of the things that I have on my Note 8, and in my opinion, even some better features, man. Because I don't even have the portrait mode and everything on my camera like this camera have to offer right here, guys. I mean, look at it. Look how beautiful and stunning it is. So this phone live up to the hype for this price with quick wireless charging, all of the dual bands, the face unlock, the portrait mode, the NFC at this price range. And look, double coating for the back, dust-free workshop. Now, one of the things I didn't see whether or not it was waterproof or not. So I don't think that it's waterproof because I don't see any rating on here. But that would be the one negative for this phone. I mean, for what I see, it's absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely stunning, guys. Now, they have a giveaway right here. You click right here, and I'm going to leave all of these links, the video, the link to their website, and the link to this giveaway. You can come right here and you can share, you know, their Twitter, their Facebook and stuff. They have different ways where you can enter to win. I'm going to put all of that in there. You just do subscribe, follow, like, you know how it goes, guys. And they're going to give some trial units out to individuals. So if you like this phone and you don't want to put your money on it, you don't want to pay for it, you can go ahead and enter to win the giveaway. Again, guys, I think that this phone have tons and tons of potential. And as for me, I'm probably gonna try to copy it. Copy it mean buy it. I'm probably gonna try to buy it, guys, but when it comes out, I'm gonna go ahead and check out the reviews and see exactly what's popping with it, man. So this would be a great backup phone for me, a great business phone for me. It just, I wanted to do this videos. I don't do this often, guys. I don't do reviews when I don't physically have the product, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because I thought that it was fascinating. And on this channel, we like to do tech, guys. So as always, thank you for coming and help me review my gadgets. Even though I don't have this gadget physically, I'm going to try my best to get it. But you know, when things first come out, they have the little bugs and kinks in there. So I'm going to let it go through the processes, go through the paces. And I'm going to try my best to get a hand on it, right to the company, or come out with my own money if I have to. Because I think this phone, man, is definitely worth the price that they're asking for it. And again, no monthly subscriptions. $249. So like me, I paid $1,000 for my Note 8. I got to pay AT&T, I think $25 or $35 each month just to have this phone until it's paid off. So I'm leasing the phone, guys, and you can just go outright and buy this. Man, this phone looks beautiful for $249 on GearBest, and plus you can register to win. Hey, once again, it's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Thank you for taking your time out and watching the video. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, guys, somebody asked me to do a review of Nitro IPTV service. I'm gonna try to get that to you guys. And I've been yelling and yelling. I gotta do the power bank. Well, I brought the power bank with me to the gym today to charge my phone. So that's coming soon, either by the end of the week or next week before I go on vacation. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.